Hey everyone, it's Navros over at T&T Honda. So, how do we prepare our vehicles for winter? Start by cleaning out the inside, so you have a nice clean place inside the vehicle to live during the winter. Clean the inside of the windows so you get rid of all the smudges and you have a perfectly clear view. Also, you want to make sure that you clean the outside of the vehicle and pay special attention to any scratches you may have. If there's anything like that, make sure you put a little bit of touch-up pen on them. That's going to give you extra added protection as the harsh elements of the winter touch your vehicle. If you're a little bit handy, you can also take it one step further, replace any burnt out light bulbs that you have. Very, very important for your safety as well as the visibility of other drivers on the road when it gets dark outside during the winter. So those are a few things you can do on your own.